How to convert a 457B to a Gold IRA rollover without penalty with $500,000. Making a strategic shift from a traditional retirement plan into physical gold can strengthen your long-term security. If you want to convert a 457B to Gold IRA rollover without penalty with $500,000, the process can be straightforward when handled correctly. Get free Gold IRA guide and learn how to diversify your retirement with gold. Click the link below in the description to get it. Here's a simple breakdown of the essential steps. 1. Know how your 457B plan works. A 457B is a tax-advantaged plan for government and nonprofit employees. It allows rollovers into a self-directed IRA without early withdrawal penalties. The key is to avoid taking the money personally. Use a direct rollover to stay tax-deferred and penalty-free. 2. Select a self-directed IRA custodian. A Gold IRA requires a specialized custodian that handles precious metals. Choose one with transparent fees, good customer service, secure storage partners, and experience with metal IRAs. 3. Open your self-directed Gold IRA. Set up the account before moving your funds. During setup, you'll choose between a traditional or Roth IRA structure, select a depository, and decide which metals you prefer. 4. Request a direct rollover from your 457B. Contact your plan administrator and request a trustee-to-trustee transfer. This ensures you avoid taxes, penalties, and the mandatory 20% withholding. The funds go straight to your new IRA custodian. 5. Purchase IRS-approved metals. Once your $500,000 arrives, your custodian helps you buy approved bullion. Eligible metals include gold, 99.5% purity; silver, 99.9% purity; platinum and palladium, 99.95% purity. Common Gold IRA choices include American Gold Eagles, Canadian Maple Leafs, and approved gold bars. 6. Store your metals in an approved depository. IRS rules require secure third-party storage, not your home or personal safe. Depositories provide insurance, monitoring, and high-level protection. 7. Maintain and monitor your account. Review statements, fees, and performance regularly. Staying compliant ensures your Gold IRA keeps its tax-advantaged status. When you convert a 457B to Gold IRA rollover without penalty with $500,000, the right steps protect your savings and give you access to physical precious metals. By using a direct rollover, choosing a trusted custodian, and sticking to IRS-approved rules, you can build a more stable and diversified retirement foundation. Do you want to learn about how to secure your retirement with gold investment? Download your free Gold IRA guide now. Click the link below in the description to get it. Like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.